or the so became the stubborn. Nebu Yota. Ecolaya carrying again. Oh, ndị nwere title. Ndị nwere title. Traditional people.
Like Nzenozo.
Nzenozo. Ecolaya kept again. And when Chimendem. Ndị na-eme ọjọọ. Ndị a na-eji ọjọọ anyị na-akpọ ya ndị. Ecolaya azụ otu a. All quite the same thing. Kept again. Ndị a na-eme ihe ọjọọ.
Hello, my beautiful people. Today is another special one. I thank God for giving me life and health, for me to be out and be doing these things for you, for your learning purposes and viewing pleasure. Well, it's special. What we have here is the traditional Igbo cap. This traditional Igbo cap is known, it has existed for ages now, for many decades. But what I want to expose about this cap is the significance when you put it on. And the purpose of this is to educate the youth so that they know exactly their culture and what it means. Because you cannot trash your own culture and expect any other person to export it for you or something like that. But then, what I'm trying to say is this. This is the Opu Nwagoro to some people, the Opu Agu to other people, and the Opu Ndiche to some other people. So, the significant thing about this cap is when you wear it by the right side, it means something else. And you wear it in the left side, it means something else. You wear it in the front, it means something, and you wear it in the back, it means something else. So this is what we'll be going about in the street, to ask youths who knows about this cap to tell us what they know about this. Thank you, and join me. All right, brother. So tell me your name, eh?
My name is Ogechi.
Ogechi is from where?
I'm from Abia State.
Abia State. Waiting carriers come street today, eh? Now this cap, this same thing where you wear. One no. Waiting this cap mean for your place.
Okay, the cap means tradition. That's chief used to wear the cap.
Yeah. Okay. Chiefs. Only chief.
Chief and the tradition people used to wear the cap.
Okay, so how much traditional are you?
Okay. Few of them, many of them.
Okay, a few. You know too plenty for as a too know tradition. But okay, so now waiting really carriers come now. Moku know the significance. As this one where you wear and go back. Abi, you wear and go back. Huh?
Yes.
So one know people say if you wear this cap, come this side like this, it means something. You wear and go this side, it means something. Then you wear and come from, it means something. So what do you mean? If you wear and go back, what do you mean?
For our side, if you wear this and go back, then they have excess power to challenge people.
Hey! Really?
But for me, not that I have excess power to challenge people, I just wear it.
Your liver they fail you.
Honestly, you don't blame me, that's not my fault.
So I don't carry anything in mind. Okay. I don't have excess power.
Okay, you don't get excess power.
Yes.
But you get power. But you know excess. Yeah?
Yes,
okay.
yes.
All right. Then if you wear and come this side, what do you mean? If you wear and come for right hand,
okay.
Right side.
If you wear and come right hand, that means you are chief.
Yeah. Yes. For the right side. Yes. So if you come wear and go this side.
If you wear and go left hand, that means you are one of native daughter, or you are one of culture. Dance culture or anything tradition.
I go, you too
much. So person where and coming from?
Okay. Yeah. Coming from at the same thing.
The same thing as which one?
Yes.
As excess power.
Yes. No, not excess power. Coming from is something like then it did for something like let me say the same culture.
Culture.
Yes.
Okay, now so you know.
December like this, they have many culture. For our place, we used to play Wotam.
Wotam?
Yes, for our place. I'm from Abia State.
Where for Abia State?
Abala in Abia State.
Abala?
Yes.
Okay, when they play Wotam there?
Yes.
Okay, all right now, brother. All right, Baba Beg, tell us your name.
I don't know Chief Ekweme.
Chief Ekweme, when you be?
I'm on Abia State, one from what?
One from what?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to, I'm going to again.
Yeah, Opundense. Yes. Oh, so now what chief? Yeah, open how a German and Igbo. And Igbo use your own day, Amasinze. nze na ọzọ ọ ndị na-eyi but now due to the country anyị nọ n'ime na ndị ọjọọ na-eyizie ka ejiri mara their logo amị na-aghọta ndị ọjọọ na-eyizuzie na ka ejiri mara their logo but ya natural Igbo cap.
You are the voice of the gods.
Ejiri mara ndị Igbo ọya uwe hụrụ.
Okay, ogbu a na nke nchu nke ọzọ ahụ nke red ahụ ogbu red nke tọrọ
nke a na-atọrọ that one for title ndị nwere title like chieftaincy so nke a wee jiri mara okpu onye Igbo onye agbawa onye Igbo ka wee jiri mara ya.
Kedu ihe o menere
okpu a na ya okpu ndị nze na ọzọ.
Kedu ihe eji eme
ihe eji eme ihe eji eme na-awụ na eji amara ndị Igbo ndị isi ndị Igbo ndị nwe ndị Igbo.
Okay, na o nwere research anyị na-achọ conduct ka anyị mara ka ụmụaka Igbo na-etokwa eto mara ihe ogbu a pụtara o nwere otu ya ga-esi kpuo ya ekpula ya ihu kpula ya azụ kpula ya n'akụkụ abụọ na o nwere ihe ndị omini ị ga-ekputugodi ya ga anyị hụgodi jigoro ya angụ ndị ọnụ
otu a na pikin dị stọbọn na-ekpu ya otu a ịkọla ya aka nri gị ọwụ ndị nwere title traditional people
like nze na ọzọ
ịkọla ya aka ịkpa gị ha nwe chimendem ndị na-eme ihe ọjọọ ndị a na-eji ihe ọjọọ anyị na-akpọ ya ndị ịkọla ya azụ otu a ọkwa the same thing ịkpa gị ndị a na-eme ihe ọjọọ.
Onye na-eme ihe ọjọọ ga-abịapụta nnọọ ka onye ọbụla mara na ọ na-eme ihe ọjọọ.
Ha na-eji ama ndị ọjọọ onye ọjọọ ga-apụtasị na ewe onye ọjọọ ọ tụrụ ikpuru okpu a n'isi the way you wear them how you bend them.
Power, government approval.
But the main titled man like nze na ọzọ ha na-atọ on ya right like this.
Right hand. Yeah, right hand wo otu oshi.
Yes.
Okay, but nwe okoro ezina okorobịa anaghị egbu ya.
Okorobịa chọrọ ikpu ya na in form of iji mee guy ọ wụrụ the short one ya pụta oyi otu a draw ya akwụrụ otu a ịghọtara ya pụrụ ya akwụrụ yes ya akwụrụ otu a ọ gwụla otu nna m na nna m si kụziere m
na ihe adịkwa deep o mere emi
ọzọ nọ mụ adị makwa m but ana m agwa gị the men ibu mmụọ na enwere m okpu my first son and my second son because abụ ezigbo onye Igbo and ama m ihe tradition ịghọtara so a na-eke m makwa ụmụ mma dịka nna m na nna m si kọwatara m
Udo. Okay, Baba. Tell me your name.
My name is Okuchukwu Njoku Kalu.
Okuchukwu Njoku Kalu. Where are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Where from Abia?
Anochukwu local government.
Aro. You know Aro na big people.
Yes, now that is our tradition. Yes.
So now, I hold this cap. What's the color?
Well, this cap is a traditional cap. Before you wear this cap,
what's on the column?
Obundenze.
Hey, photo.
Obundenze.
Yes.
Can you hear that?
Okpu a na mean that is in running ihe dịka that is na iwere onye ichie. As a traditional man, you can wear this cap.
Okay. And now, as you wear it like this, what do you mean?
Like this now, I mean, if they play, like people where they do culture of band, playing band, all those things then.
You were not informed too. Continue.
Yes, our
traditional musician.
Yes, they can wear it.
For that one, the right side.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So if you go wear them for the left side,
if you wear it back like this,
okay, back.
This the elderly ones, the elderly men that used to put their own at the back.
You lie.
Yes.
If you come put them for the left side. Put them for left side.
For this left side, I can't say it because I don't know this side, but I only know this side and this side. It's all
for front, uncle. Put them for front. Most.
Normally, for front. For front, yeah. What
do you mean?
Our elders, elderly men, like Ndiche.
Ndiche.
Yes. Normally, they used to wear it like this.
All right.
So it's all I know. I don't know much.
Okay, for your place, if you know be elderly person, come wear them for back or any sanction, any penalty.
Yes, now charge you.
What thing they go do?
You need to pay fine like goats.
Really?
Yes, you need to bring some kind of thing like goat, and you need to do the tradition for you to wear it this side. Yes.
Okay. All right.